everyone, Amanda here. Thanks for joining me. If you're new to my channel, please make sure you do subscribe. It's really important, and I'm here to announce the details of my giveaway. So I'm going to be giving quite a few goodies away. And what I want you to do is I need you to be a subscriber. You need to leave a comment underneath this video as well, please, to be entered. Now this first journal here, I have got a video on this. It was for sale and I was selling it for £45. A lot of work's gone into it. It's quite big and it's beautiful. Now two ladies said they wanted it and then they let me down. I need to get myself a website really and just get them up on websites, and then people can just go and purchase. So I don't have patience to chase people. I'm not one for chasing for money. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give this away. Now I came on yesterday, I think it was, and announced that I've opened a buymeacoffee.com site. And what that is a site that creators use, you know, so that people who like what you do, watch your free tutorials regularly, etc., can make a small donation. It helps keep you, helps keep me crafting. And I did say that if there was enough funds, I would do some giveaways and I would send some things out in the post. So that's what I'm doing. So you need to be a subscriber, you need to comment under this video. Those are written in stone. So this journal, this is going to go to one of the people who have supported me through my buymeacoffee.com site. Okay, the link for that is in the description box below, and the closing date for this will be the last day of the month. So anybody who's contributed since I opened that site to the last day of the month will go in a draw for this journal. Okay, it's lovely. So one of those fantastic supporters will get this journal, and if I can give a journal away every month on my buymeacoffee.com site, I will do. Okay. And now I'm also going to be giving away 2 smaller packages for YouTube supporters, so you don't have to have contributed to my buymeacoffee.com site. Okay, all you need to do is be a subscriber and leave me a comment in this video. So I'm going to send one person this and another person these. So this is an autumn folio. This was a design team project for Artie Mays. So was this. And so was this. There's flip through on my video. If you look back a few videos, and there's a flip through on this, and then maybe a couple of months ago there's a flip through on this. This is not a design team project. This was me excuse me, sorry, just playing and having a bit of fun with one of the little fairies. Can't remember where I got this from. I think it's from the graphics fairy. So in total I'm going to be giving away this large journal, a smaller journal, the folio and the tags. Those will go together. Okay, so that is my way of saying thank you to my supporters. And if I continue to get support on my buymeacoffee.com site, that will mean that I'll be able to give things away on a regular basis. So yeah, make sure you are subscribed. Thank you to everybody who has contributed. I'm absolutely made up. I really am, because I've been able to purchase some more ink for my printer, and I can send these out as well. So yeah, I'm thrilled. Okay, so there we go. Thank you to those that have supported me over there. It's hard to explain how humbling it is to know that people appreciate what you do. So thank you, and it means that I can send things out to show my appreciation to you guys as well. So the ones that are on the buymeacoffee.com that are going to be in the draw for this, you can comment below this video and get extra entries for these as well. All right, so then you're getting double. All right then, so that's all for today. I'm busy trying to finish my secret garden journal. My deadline's approaching, so so there might not be a tutorial well, there won't be one today. There might be one tomorrow. You'll have to keep your eyes open and see. So that's it for now. I'm waffling because I'm a little bit like overwhelmed at the amount of support that I've been given. I'm really humble and very grateful. So thank you, and for all of my subscribers as well. Yeah, so that's it. I better go before I start bawling. All right, thanks for watching. Bye for now.